Did you buy
Gene Pennington of Harrison. And Pat Lee of Spencerville.
All right, Gene, your first turn. Here we go.
$3,400. Very nice first turn, Mary. 4,400 puts you in the lead. We're coming right back over to Melissa. 1,500. We're gonna hunt down some bonus fluff. Double.
$2,200.
All right, ending the second turn in the lead. It's Jean with $8,200. You look surprised.
And Melissa is going to get the first chance to catch up after the break. She has $4,400 over there.
You know this game is.
Hey, Ohio, Cash Explosion is the biggest money grab on TV. Seriously, we award life-changing prizes without asking you silly questions, making you eat a bug. To win on the Ohio Lottery's original game show, all you have to do is buy a ticket and cross your fingers. More lucky players have been selected to win under the bright lights. A lucky Cash Explosion ticket will pay off for these folks on the November 24th.
You're welcome. Melissa, $7,700. I hope that helps out.
Gene, this is a great total for you and your wife. $11,300.
But we have work to do to Gene's total.
We are doubling that to $22,600.
We found a couple of the doubles, but we left more thrills, more fun, and more winners are all coming up. But I really want to give away more money. You start off with $1,500. And after the first turn, William, you have the lead with $5,600. We'll get back to you. Charlotte, you're going to kick off the second turn. You have $1,500. We have 5 doubles on this board. And
Oh, you are a money magnet. That's right. That's right.
after the second turn, George now has the lead with $9,000. Coming back to Charlotte. Charlotte, you're at 30. Charlotte, congratulations. $6,600. Thank you for playing. Enjoy that money. Oh, George, it was close. It was close. You won $13,000.